The first time I got interested in making paper planes was when I was around 5 years old. The thing that got me was the paper plane that was able to go in circles and get back in your hand. So at first the distance wasn't something that got me interested in making paper planes and origami. Never took paper planes really seriously, but it was always a hobby of mine. The advice for anybody that wants to achieve furthest distance with a paper plane is to make a dart paper plane. The reason behind it is because the gliders are inconsistent. To achieve the distance in paper plane throwing, you need technique and strength. In my case, technique came naturally because of 20+ years experience in paper plane throwing since I started really young. The technique is something in between a baseball throw and a javelin throw. As for the strength, I decided to go to the gym for the first time in my life. Even though strength was not a weakness since I trained martial arts, gym still got me about 10+ meters in my throw. The Red Bull Paper Wings competition was a great experience, and I'm really looking forward to the next competition. Since then I have slightly improved my design, and I plan to go to the gym at least 3 to 4 months before the actual competition.